Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update VW Passat navigation system. Start by confirming your Passat model and VIN, then locate the correct map package from VW or authorized providers. Download the update to a computer, verify the file integrity, and copy it onto a FAT32 USB drive labeled per VW instructions. Keep the car battery charged or connect a charger, and follow on-screen prompts when inserting the USB into the vehicle. In this video, I will explain how to update VW Passat navigation system. After locating the correct map package, extract files if needed and confirm they match VW naming conventions. Organize the update files in the exact folder layout VW requires, then safely eject the USB from your computer. Double-check that the USB is formatted FAT32 and that no extra files remain on the drive that might confuse the update process. In this video, I will review how to update VW Passat navigation system. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which brings voice control and smart mapping that feels oddly relevant to car navigation habits. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help update VW Passat navigation system. With the car in accessory or running mode, insert the USB and watch the infotainment screen for update prompts. Accept any warnings, start the installation, and be patient as maps install and indexes build. Avoid shutting off the engine or removing the drive during the update. Once finished, the system may reboot and prompt you to verify the new map version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.